is rose quartz chips natural. Moonstone, gray, brown, white. Amethyst, chunky amethyst. Amethyst again, teardrops, really pretty. More amethyst. Blue goldstone, this is glass and man-made. Turquoise. Red jasper, which is really pretty, brick red. Garnet, natural, untreated. Deep red. Amazonite. Red agates, dyed. Natural agate. Citrine heated. More heated citrine. These are little triangle cut citrine. Brown goldstone, also glass, man-made. Red carnelian, heated, dyed. That's how carnelian is made usually, unless found naturally, which is not often. Green aventurine. Emerald. Green dyed agate. Magnesite, also dyed. More magnesite, also dyed. New jade or serpentine. Also new jade or serpentine. Peridot, peridot, olivine. Peridot, peridot. I don't know, I hear different pronunciations. Glass, hemalike, this is man-made as well. It's magnetic. Harder and harder to get real hematite these days. Pyrites, fool's gold. Brass, solid brass beads, these are really heavy. Clear quartz cut in the shape of triangles. More clear quartz, these are really clear and pretty. Rainbow moonstone, one of my favorites, in chip form. You can see the blue flashes. Oh, so pretty. Lapis lazuli, blue stone, cannot be wet or worn in water. Rainbow moonstone. Multicolored sapphires. Just some check glass beads. Opalite glass, man-made. Those are from India that I just touched. Colorful ones. Also from India, seed beads. Silk thread for my new ideas. Cabochons. This is red jasper. This is an opalite teardrop pendant. Opalites. This is also opalite. It's a cabochon. It's a little milkier, but you can still see the iridescence. Aventurine. green aventurine that I have in the chips as well. Zooming in so y'all could see the little glitter that they have in them. This is resin, a resin cabochon. Cabochon. They're really pretty. They're kind of opal finish. This is the cream or yellow color. Also really pretty. Right. These are just teardrop glass beads. I think they're glass. If they're not glass, they're crystal. Can't remember which one. This is a glass heart. Drop. Seed beads. Pretty seed beads. These are the new ones I got. All of the new ones I got. Different colors. That pinky one is actually purple. Try to adjust the lights. Red. Pink, because I have no pink beads. My wires, stainless steel, gold filled, and sterling silver. My new wires I got recently. My new chain, my brass, Old Faithful, and these are my Swarovski Patparacha hearts, which is a color I love. Teardrop, faceted, clay. I love that about Swarovski. They look like crystals, like actual quartz or diamonds. They look really beautiful. These are teardrops. Moon, crescent. I have more than one of these. I'm just using one at a time so it's easier to show you guys. My hearts, heliotrope, blue purple, really pretty as well. Rose water or something like that. Can't remember the name of violet opal. That's the name of those. More stars with AB finish. That's what that color finish is. AB finish, aquamarine, I believe is the color. Clay, AB finish is the name of this one. Crystal clay or something like that. AB finish. This is cyclamen opal. And my plain moon, clay moon. Oh, the light is giving so much trouble because the Swarovski is so reflective. These aren't Swarovski. These are beads, large beads. And last but not least, my mixed gemstone strand. These are semi-precious, and I think they are precious stones on it as well. I can't identify all of them, but definitely there are some on there. You can see labradorite and aquamarine and peridot and all those other things. So thank you for watching.